Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening your emulator and loading the ROM. Make sure the game is paused. Once done, navigate to the emulator's main menu and enter Settings or Preferences. This is where the toggle's live. You need to find Input, Trade, or System options that reference trading, link cable, or evolution triggers. If you have multiple profiles, pick the one you'll use. Take a moment to note any default values so you can revert later if needed. Now you will disable the trade trigger features directly. In those settings, turn off link cable or trade emulation and disable any auto-evolve options. This prevents evolution on trade. Next, open input mappings and unbind keys or controllers assigned to trading actions. Set them to none. After making changes, save the configuration, then restart the emulator session or reload the ROM so the new settings take effect. To finish, test a trade evolution case in-game and confirm that evolution no longer triggers. You are validating the change. If evolution still occurs, reload your backup save and recheck the trade-related toggles. Sometimes you must flip the option off, save, then restart twice. If problems persist, examine emulator logs or settings for vendor-specific flags and search emulator forums for that flag's behavior. One key tip: clear any active cheats or scripts, because those often override settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.